Create a short video about a fox who creates YouTube videos on AI tools.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create long videos using Sora 2. It's simpler than you think, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Let's jump right in.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep grinding.
All right, let's see what we got. Looks pretty good. Now, let's do some editing.
All right, cut's clean, color's good, and the outro lines up. Perfect. Render, and we're done. Can't wait to post this one.
And there it goes. Almost there. Upload complete. Nice. All set to share.
Can't wait to see how many views it got. It must be good. I worked hard for this video.
That was outstanding, right? And I made it using Gemini 3, Nano Banana Pro, and Sora 2 to their maximum potential. As you just saw, the result is truly outstanding. Yes, creating long Sora 2 videos is not impossible anymore, and in today's video, I will show you a tool that made it possible. I used this tool to create the video you just watched, and in today's video, I will show you step by step how I did it. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, the tool we will be using today is called VideoInu. This is literally the only tool I know that can use the power of Gemini 3, Sora 2, and Nano Banana Pro in a creative manner, and the results speak for themselves. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a very simple and self-explanatory design. Over here, you can see three main options. First, there is the story to video version 2, which is the latest and most powerful version. Then there is the story to video version 1, which is also very powerful. And finally, there is the image to video option, where you can generate image to video content using Sora 2. New users also get a few free generations with Sora 2, so you can definitely give this a try if you want. But today, we will be focusing on the Video 2 feature, so I will click on it, and then it will open this interface. So this is the part where you need to paste the plot of your story. I will paste mine here. It's just a simple plot about a fox who is a YouTuber and makes videos on AI tools. And you really don't need to worry too much about this. You can just give it a vague plot, and it uses Google's latest Gemini 3 to write the script, so the result will be awesome every single time. Next, make sure you turn on the Smart Script option for even better results. Now, let's choose a video style. As you can see, there are so many different styles available. I will go with this one because the movie is also releasing soon and there's a lot of buzz around it. Next, let's choose the video duration. As you can see, you can go up to 30 minutes, which is just crazy. I'll go with 3 minutes for now. Then choose the aspect ratio and video language and hit create. After that, it will start to analyze the plot and the settings, and based on that, it will generate the script, scenes, and even the cast for the video. And as I already mentioned, it uses Gemini 3, so it creates really natural and amazing results. And here it is. As you can see, it has created our character for the video, and it will use the same character across all the different scenes. This is why the character consistency will be on a completely different level. Next, you can also see that it has not only created the script, but has also divided it into different scenes, which is awesome. You can go through them, and if you want to make changes, you can easily edit the individual scenes as well, which is pretty convenient. Once you are satisfied with everything, down here, you will see two options. First, there is the preview storyboard option, which will take you to the storyboard section where you can edit the scene images and videos individually. Then there is the generate video option, which will take care of everything and create the entire video for you. Let's try this one first. I will click on generate video and it will get started. It will generate the images for the scenes using Nano Banana Pro and then turn them into a video with Sora 2. And here is the result.
Welcome back to Remy Learns AI. Today, we are diving deep into neural network optimization.
Here's the dense layer we're looking at. Each neuron sums its weighted inputs, those numbers right there, and then applies the activation function. Think of it like this. Weights come in, get combined here, and
And that's how you bring life to a simple texture map.
Wow, that was awesome, right? And all it took was a prompt and setting up a few parameters. Now let me show you the other method where you can control every scene and every visual. To do that, this time you need to click on the Generate Storyboard option and it will start creating each scene individually as per the draft. Personally, I prefer creating my videos like this because it gives me much more control. Once it's done, you will see an interface like this. I'm showing you the project for the video I displayed at the beginning. As you can see, it has created different scenes with incredible looking images. It uses Nano Banana Pro for the images, so it is bound to be good. When you go through the visuals and the characters, you'll notice that the character consistency is absolutely perfect. Trust me, you won't truly understand how good this is until you try it yourself. Now, if you want to change the image of a particular scene, you can do that very easily. First, select the scene you want to modify. Let's choose this one. Here, you can see the prompt that was used to generate the scene. Simply click on the Regenerate button and it will create a new image. And here it is. As you can see, it has generated a completely different image while maintaining the exact same character and visual style. You can now select the image you like or keep regenerating until you're satisfied. If you want even more control, you can use the integrated Google Nano Banana Pro option to make precise changes to your images. Let's try that. From this section, you can add an additional prompt to modify the image. For example, let's change the lighting. I'll write this prompt and then click on Generate. And here's the output. Wow, just like that, the lighting has been changed, and as you can see, everything else remains perfectly consistent. You can also change the camera angle without even writing a prompt. From here, simply choose a camera angle. Let's go with this one. Then hit Generate. And here it is. As you can see, the angle has changed while everything else remains exactly the same. Honestly, Nano Banana feels like a cheat code. Now to turn this image into a video, click on the Animate option. Then click here to see the video models. I'll go with Sora 2. For the prompt, you can either use the smart prompt that's automatically generated based on the scene, or write your own. I'll paste my prompt here, and as you can see, I've mentioned multi-shot, which means it will create different cutscenes. I've also mentioned no background music so that the video flows better with other scenes. You can phrase your prompt as per your needs and then simply hit Generate. And here is the output.
I worked so hard on those, and no one even watched. I worked so...
Wow, that was truly amazing, right? It honestly looks like a scene from an animated movie. Sora 2 never fails to amaze me no matter how many times I use it. Next, you'll want to go through each and every scene and make sure they are exactly how you want them. If not, I've already shown you how you can edit or regenerate them. You can also turn every image into a video all at once if you prefer. To do that, select any scene, click on Animate All, then select all the scenes and click Next. It will use smart prompts based on each scene automatically. Personally, I prefer doing it one by one because it gives me more control, but you can choose whichever method works best for you. Now, once you're done with everything, click on the Next button. Here you can adjust these settings if you want. I'll modify them according to my personal preference. After that, simply click on Generate. Once it's done, you can preview the video from here, and to download it, click on the Download button. As you can see, you can now download in up to 2K quality, which is awesome. I'll go with 1080p for now. Next, just click Confirm, and you're done. After downloading it, I did a little bit of editing to add some transitions and text to make the story flow better. And here is the final output.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create long videos using Sora 2. It's simpler than you think, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Let's jump right in.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep grinding.
All right, let's see what we got. Looks pretty good. Now, let's do some editing.
All right, cut's clean, color's good, and the outro lines up. Perfect. Render, and we're done. Can't wait to post this one.
And there it goes. Almost there. Upload complete. Nice. All set to share.
Can't wait to see how many views it got. It must be good. I worked hard for this video.
Views keep dropping. Guess the last one didn't land. It's fine. Maybe the next video will do better.
Hopefully, this one will do better. And... upload.
Another day. Another failed video. Maybe I should just stop this. What's the point?
Your 10 reasons why you'll never grow on YouTube. First up, your content just isn't unique enough. Second,
Pause. What's the point?
Just click it.
I loved your tutorial. It helped me a lot. I'm sure you will become really big one day.
Wow, thanks. Alright, let's make the next one even better.
Alright, intro hook locked in. Then we'll wander through the story beats and land on the takeaway. Keep it friendly, keep it curious. Sounds good, right?
Hey there! I've been testing the new Nano Banana Pro image generator, and it is mind-blowing. You feed it the tiniest idea, like painted fruit in moonlight, and
Alright, looks good. And upload.
Can't wait to see how the video's doing. And remember, Remy, no matter what the views are, you're not stopping. No phones, just keep creating.
Whoa! 1.2 million views in a day! Finally! All those late nights, the paint on my hoodie, it was worth it. My hard work paid off.
This is the best day of my life!
100,000. I never thought this day would ever come. Wow. Thank you. Just thank you.
I did it! I still can't believe I did it! Imagine if I had given up and deleted my channel? Thank God I didn't. And you shouldn't give up either. Keep trying, and you will succeed.
That was stunning, right? And now, you can do it too, or even create something better. With VideoInu, you can truly unleash your creativity. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this tool now and start creating outstanding content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.